everyone. Today we're going to make chocolate truffle cookies. I have 1.5 cups of chocolate chips, and then I've got another separate ½ cup of chocolate chips. One's going to be actually for that you're going to melt into the cookie dough, and then the other one you'll put in afterwards. Then I have a ½ cup of sugar. I've got 2 eggs, 1/4 cup of flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, then I've got 1 teaspoon of vanilla, I've got 2 tablespoons of butter, and then you're going to want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And you're either going to need a double boiler, or you can actually just take a pot, and then you'll just need a heat-proof bowl. Alright, I've got some water in the bottom of my pan, and then I've got it on about medium heat. And then all you're going to do is you're going to add in your chocolate, the 1.5 cups of chocolate, and your butter. And then all you're going to do is you're just going to stir this until it's nice and smooth and melted. Alright, now that it's all melted and it's all smooth, then all you're going to do is you're going to turn your heat off and then just let it sit over the warm water, and we're going to just take the next step. The first thing we're going to do then is we're just going to take our flour and our baking powder. And we're just going to mix that together. Alright, then all we're going to do is take our sugar and our eggs. And then we're just going to whisk this all together. Alright, then all we're going to do is we're going to take our egg and sugar mixture. We're going to add that into our chocolate mixture. And then you're just going to slowly mix this all together, and it will take a little bit of while to get it all combined. Alright, then all we're going to do is we'll add in our vanilla, and then just mix this together. Once you have the vanilla mixed in, then you can just add in your flour mixture. Once you get the flour all mixed in, then you just want to let it sit for about 5 minutes or so. You want to let it cool before you mix in your chocolate chips. Once your dough has cooled a little bit, then we're just going to add in our chocolate chips. We're going to mix those in, and then you're just going to want to put this in the refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes and chill it. Alright, after it's chilled for 10 to 15 minutes, then you're just going to take a tablespoon. You're just going to put it on your cookie tray. And then all you're going to do is you're just going to bake these for 7 to 8 minutes at 350 degrees. Alright, I just took the cookies out of the oven, and they will look a little bit cracked when you take them out, which is perfectly normal. And you do not want to overcook these cookies because you want them to have a nice gooey center. So all you have to do is let them cool for a few minutes on the baking sheet, and then take them off and let them cool on a cooling rack. So hope you enjoy!